Good afternoon, everyone. Next Generation Weather Forecaster Joe Shock here, taking a look here at the ideas for winter. Here's the climate forecast system for the month of December. Looks a little bit too warm since we are in a La Nina, and the El Nino is no longer being an impact. We're in a La Nina stage. This looks a little bit too warm for me for the month of December. I think December will be cooler than that. January, I still think it's too warm. I think there'll be more cool showing up here in the northern part of the United States. I think the south is actually pretty good here with the warmer than normal temperatures and relatively warmer weather out west. But the north, I think, will be cooler than that in January. And in February, I actually like this a little bit better. This, I think, is a little bit more in line of what I think will be an outcome. Cool across the north and relatively warm compared to average across the south. Here is the climate forecast system, SSTs, sea surface temperature anomalies. December through January, you can still see the La Nina signature here popping up. You can see the warm western Pacific here, the cool eastern Pacific here around along the equator. And then another La Nina signature is a warm tropical Atlantic here down by the equator. So this is December through February. Here is the precipitation. And you can see it's going to be active, and maybe this is a threat for some big snow. You can see this is December through February. You can see the precipitation anomalies upwards of 1-2 inches above normal here. Dry and warm across the south, and then cool and stormy for the northern part of the United States. So maybe a big snow year coming up for parts of the northeast and into the plains. And finally, here is something from the Climate Prediction Center. Again, something similar that I was just showing you there, where you could see SST forecast anomalies. You could see there that nice La Nina signature setting up. But overall, I will say this is a very interesting winter, to say the least. And I think there's a lot of fun and games down the road. That's it for now, and thank you for watching.